Well, thanks for staying with us. Another person died on East Washington Avenue this morning. A cyclist killed at the intersection with Pauling Street. Today's crash marks the 4th traffic-related death there just this year and the 2nd death in the last week. Now, for comparison, 2 people died on East Wash from 2014 all the way to 2019. And Naomi Coles joins us live now from East Washington Avenue. Naomi?
Investigators tell me that they have reviewed surveillance footage of this crosswalk. It shows that the 57-year-old cyclist was already inside this crosswalk trying to cross the road when he was hit and killed. Now, they don't know yet whether speeding was a factor, but the dangers of this road are well known. I've been talking to residents who live or work along this road all day long. They tell me they're frustrated, they're scared, and they're fed up.
I don't think enough is being done.
Brittany Grogan lives in the Galaxie apartment building near the intersection where 30-year-old Sean Crisco was killed in a hit-and-run last weekend.
Whether it's someone speeding through a red light, using the parking or bike lane on the right to pass other cars, or using a left turn lane to pass other cars and keep going straight. Those are probably the things that I see most often.
Just days later, another death just 2 miles up the same road. That's for this year. Today, police are asking everyone to be more aware.
It's also distracted driving. It's also making sure that you understand that we have heavy foot traffic on our Washington Street area, downtown, and many other areas. So we need everyone to be good partners.
But in the long term,
we have to do something, otherwise there's going to be more fatalities.
Alder Brian Benford serves District 6, living on East Wash, just blocks away from the crash. Vision Zero started last year. That's the city's plan to eliminate traffic deaths by 2030 with speed reductions for East Wash. He says it's a good start, but acknowledged it's not enough.
We know that recently they lowered the speed limits along East Washington Avenue, and it hasn't had impact at all in creating more safety. So we do have to look at reconfiguring the avenue.
Brittany and many others I spoke to online today say there's still unexplored solutions that they want the city to consider, like a complete reconfiguration.
The street has not evolved along with the rest of the area. It's straight and it's flat and it's long, and if that's how it stays, people are just going to keep treating it like a highway.
East Wash is a state highway, meaning there's limits to what the city can do. That's why residents want pressure on the state as well.
Madison's just going to keep growing and getting more dense, and we need better support for public transportation and pedestrians and bicyclists, and less convenience for drivers.
I reached out to the State Department of Transportation today to get more clarity on that balance of power between what the city can do and the state can do. Also today, Madison Area State Representative Francesca Hong issued a press release. She said she called it a public health crisis. She said she will be scheduling a town hall in the coming weeks to discuss some of these concerns. This is an issue I'll be looking into further. You can reach out to me at News 3 Investigates at WISCTV.com.
All right, Naomi, thanks.